Good morning, guys, from Dubai Air Show. Today I'm going to show you something amazing. The plane behind me, as you can see, is the world's only privately owned BBJ Dreamliner. It is a Boeing 787, a private Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome aboard Dear Jets private Dreamliner.
Wow, private
Hi,
Dreamliner.
Mr. Sam. Can
Hello.
I take your shoes off?
Take my shoes off.
Yeah, please take a seat.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Sam. You are the VIP guest today. So can I show you the inside of the Dreamliner?
Let's go.
Just follow me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where I am in the hotel lobby? This is amazing. Can you tell me, am I on the plane?
You are on the plane.
I am on the plane. Okay, I'll follow you for the tour.
Sorry, please.
Because I'm a bit lost. I'm walking into a wall of panels, but showing you, oh my gosh, there's layers on this wall. Okay, further exploring. Good morning, girls.
Good morning. Welcome aboard our private Dreamliner, Mr. Sam.
Thank you very much. Wow, look at this. This is a flying palace, guys. Unbelievable. The only private Dreamliner in the world. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at the sofa here. It's actually like, oh my gosh, the sofa can open. It can be a, oh my gosh, I'm so surprised this one.
When we put them together, they can be a very comfortable bed.
I can see cuddle time for the TV. Oh,
I can show
really?
you.
Yes. Show me the window shades.
You can see.
Oh my god. This is unbelievable. Okay, let's turn it down. Look at that.
Let me show you our private bedroom for our VIP guests, just like you.
Oh, like me? No, I'm an average potato.
This way, please.
Alright, let's go. Oh, it's behind this door.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
please.
Okay. Oh my god, what a luxury bedroom. My initial thought it would be just like a hotel room here. There's no window, you cannot see anything, it's just like fully privacy. It's like a, anything like a super king size hotel bedroom.
I want to show you our big TV here behind the base door.
Oh, very nice. So, this is huge.
Comfortable?
How many people here? Can I party here? This is a
Yeah.
high life. This is the truly luxury life. This is amazing, guys.
This area, we also have 18 full flat seats here for our guests.
Okay, great.
I'm usually not a fan of flights, but this is something I would want to have with no landing.
So guys, this is the high life on the private Dreamliner. The only one private Dreamliner in the sky belongs to Dear Jets. It's open for charter, and this is fantastic.
Hi. Thank you so much with us.
It's a pleasure. Thank you. See you. Bye.